Organizing the fixed asset system ensures that no detail is missed, from the name and description to the complete financial records. This allows companies to maintain transparency and control over all their fixed assets. You can define the main and subcategories to classify each asset clearly, like vehicles, equipment, buildings, or furniture. The system lets you assign a country, city, department, and exact location for each asset. This ensures precise tracking for audits and resource distribution. Each asset can be linked to a specific project or customer for accountability, improving cost tracking and financial transparency. You can assign custody to track who is responsible for each asset, ensuring accountability and preventing loss. Financially, select the asset account to record the original value of the asset, capturing acquisition costs for proper reflection in company books. The expense cost account captures maintenance and related expenses, helping monitor the true cost of ownership. When an asset is sold, retired, or written off, the disposal account ensures all financial transactions are captured correctly. A unique barcode can be generated for every asset for simplified tracking and efficient inventory management. Depreciation is calculated automatically, requiring approval before posting to accounting, ensuring financial accuracy. This module is integrated with other modules. Contact us now